Hi guys, so for today, we're gonna rent out this A86. Para bumalik sa pagkabata, ganun yung pakiramdam. Guys, magandang na araw sa inyo lahat. For today is a very special day dahil for today, papasyal ko kayo sa Japan with a twist pare. Tara, samahan nyo. Do you know where to go with a nice view?
Would you prefer the ocean side? Also, bar is recommended too.
Oh.
なのでジグザグと山が見える景色を
If you're going to Rio, Bar or Wakayama east of Osaka might be better. You can get there in about an hour.
Oh. Ready na ba kayo? Alam nyo ba bakit ko yung mapapasal sa Japan ng kakaiba? Dahil for today, magdadrive tayo ng isang legendary JDM sports car. So andito tayo ngayon guys sa Mr. Hero Car Studio guys. Kung saan lahat ng mga pinapantasize mo, mga pinapangarap mo na JDM cars nandito. Ayan o, we have the RX-7, oh, the A86 Subaru. Grabe. And of course, ang very famous na RX-7 niya, no? Fast and the Furious, pare.
At the starting of the week.
So dito sa Mr. Hero Car Studio guys, meron tong coffee shop, meron siyang mga simulation games pare. And at the same time guys, ang pinakamaganda dito, can rent out a vehicle of your choice for the day. So yung pangarap mo na JDM car, madadrive mo siya in Japan pare, no? Guys, dito sa Mr. Hero, nagpi-PPF din daw sila. So guys, yung mga ibang cars pala nila dito, naka-PPF din. Hi guys, so for today, we're gonna rent out this A86. So guys, if you like cars and you like JDM, hindi ko na kailangan ipakilala to. Sobrang legendary nito sa Japan. And of course, sa atin sa Philippines, sobrang sikat din nito. Lalo pa tong pinasikat ng Initial D. And for today, we get to drive it for 9 hours guys. Excited na ba kayo? Excited na ako guys. 10 o'clock yung schedule natin. Magka-coffee muna kami and break muna. Set muna namin yung pupuntahan namin for today. And guys, sama kayo sa road trip natin. Yun guys, so dito nagpi-PPF din sila. So they use PEF. So yun guys, so daman din nilang door card. So parang sa Pro Shield Plus lang. So guys, ang PPF talaga very important, especially sa mga ganitong ka-valuable na cars. Guys, no, grabe, sobrang oh my God, pare, kung may ganito kang garahe, hindi ka nalalabas, di ba? Hi guys, so now we're driving the A86 dito sa Japan, no? So halong excitement tsaka kaba, syempre, pare, first time natin mag-drive dito, no? Right now, no, nandito tayo sa Osaka with our Hachiroku, guys, di ba? Feeling ko pare, ako si Takumi, di-deliver ng tofu, no? Right now, guys, pupunta tayo sa Lake Biwa, no? Doon natin pinin yung Google Maps natin and konting mountain roads, pare. Para naman na-experience natin talaga si Takumi, di ba? This one is an A86, so it's a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder, no? Hindi siya ganun ka-powerful, pero grabe kasi it's a rear-wheel drive. And very rare na yun sa mga Corollas, no? Kaya it's a really, it has this, I can say, very fun driving experience when you use it. And using it in Japan is, of course, para sa akin, it's priceless. Grabe, guys. Hindi siya matutumbasan ng pera yung saya na mabibigay niya sa'yo. I'm doing it for my 32nd birthday na pala. Let's go.
We have a fun fact.
Yeah.
Actually, nagdala kami ng mount na
Yeah.
pwedeng ilagay sa labas ng car.
However, illegal pala yun sa Japan. So, tingnan natin tinuloy. So, lahat ng point of views natin sa loob na lang ng car. But later, kapag nakapunta tayo sa rural area, siguro pwede tayong mag-video, stop muna tayo sa isang lugar and then pakita natin yung paligid. Para sa akin, it's a really fun experience din since nag-vlog tayo, so we can document this for us din. Parang digital album na rin namin to. Samahan nyo kami. Enjoy natin yung araw na to. Guys, medyo naninibago tayo kasi right-hand drive tayo ngayon, no? Pero kaya naman, guys. Kasi hindi naman pala ganun complicated mag-drive dito sa Japan kasi lahat ng signs in-explain din sa car studio sa Mr. Hero. At the same time, no, yung mga signage usually, meron silang English equivalent, so nababasa natin somehow. And guys, dito sa Japan, Google Maps is accurate. Yun ang tutulong sa atin guys para makapunta.
Di ba accurate sa Pinas?
I mean, accurate naman. Hindi ko na sinasabing hindi siya accurate, pero sinasabi kasi nila na accurate daw dito na hindi tayo dadalhin sa alanganin. And guys, tingnan nyo yung paligid guys. So, sobrang serene. Oh my God. Ganda, guys. So right now, paakit na tayo ng expressway. So we get to experience Japan Expressway for now. Papunta tayo sa, and our trip for the first stop is around 1 hour and 46 minutes. Ayan. With the 86 pala, of course, it's a manual transmission, boxy look, 80s feel, pare. And tinan yung wipers, pare. Yan. Ooh, diba? And guys, of course, natin kakalimutan, pop-up headlights, pare. Wow. Wow! Di ba? Yes, I'm really happy, guys. Sobrang happy. I would like to thank my wife for this experience. Kasi siya yung nagplano nito lahat, guys, para sa atin. Kasi alam nyo naman tayo, lagi tayong walang itinerary. Di alam sa muna, basta makakain, di ba? So guys, tara, samahan niyo ako. Rampa tayo ng expressway. Here we go. Pare, pakit na tayo ng Skyway. Diba, guys? Chill ride lang, guys. Chill ride lang. But it's a really happy experience. Alam nyo, very responsive tong AE86 na to. And of course, grabe guys. Ang sarap mag-drive sa Japan kasi yung traffic dito. Guys, tinan nyo yung paligid natin. At the back, we have a Toyota Crown. Front, we have a BMW na wagon. I think tuloy-tuloy na yung biyahe natin na to. Sabi nila, dito sa expressway, is around, safe to say, 80 to 100 siguro. Siguro ito yung fast lane nila. Mamaya lipat tayo doon. Correct nyo na lang ako pag mali ako, guys, ha? First time ko sa Japan, eh. Pagbigyan nyo na ako, di ba? Wow, look at that. Pare, ang ganda ng area. It's one thing to visit Japan. It's another thing to drive a legendary Japanese sports car. This is a totally different experience, guys. Grabe. Sarap. If you're a car guy, no, it's not that expensive. Come experience Japan like this, pare. To be honest, nung for namin puntahan to, no, nag-check ako sa YouTube kung meron ngang experience na ganito. Although meron naman dun sa Mr. Hero Car Studio, sa YouTube kasi hindi nila sinasama yung biyahe nila. Kaya sabi ko, maganda makita din ng mga manonood at gusto mag-review kung ano mga pwede nilang gawin during the 9 hours. Pwede rin kasi 6 hours lang, ganun. May 3 hours nga eh. Sasama ko kayo para ma-experience nyo. At least you know what to expect kapag mamamasyal kayo dito sa Japan and you want to drive the Japanese sports car of your dreams, pare. So meron silang mga GTR, meron silang mga RX-7. You can drive an RX-7, guys, a rotary engine car. Meron pa silang Silvias, MX-5. I think they also have a Honda S2000 doon, parang ganun. NSX hindi siya available right now, guys. More reasons to come back, di ba? Next time, GTR naman ang drive natin. So guys, first traffic natin sa Japan, guys. So right now, dito tayo. Hindi ko alam kung nasan tayo, pero nasa Skyway tayo, guys. Sa baba din pa yung mga paligid din. Yan. Cool.
Parang sa games, no?
Oo. Midnight, Midnight City, yung mga ganun.
Time zone.
Oo, laking time zone to, guys. Today is Sunday, kaya lahat din ng mga locals, I think, out and about din sila, pare, para mamasyal. Kaya it's a perfect day today to stroll around Japan. Guys, magagamit natin yung pop-up headlights natin, guys. Pop-up headlights. Enjoy lang natin yung Japan, di ba? NANI? Grabe, guys. Ang saya naman nito kasi na-appreciate din nila yung kotse. Lahat ng tao dito, guys, pati mga locals. They also take a video and they're very respectful. Kaya, grabe, it's a really good experience. You should try it once in your life. Yeah? Hey guys, dito tayo sa tunnel. So, medyo traffic ngayon kasi Sunday ngayon. So, marami din talaga namamasyal. Legit JDM, oh. Japanese radio, pare. Walang kadyot lang.
Kadyot lang.
Guys, kanina na-notice ko, no? So, itong part kasi nito, usually expressway, di ba, matulin dapat. Tapos, nung may part na magta-traffic na, lahat ng nasa harap, mag-hazard sila to warn nyo na nag-slow down na yung traffic. Ang galing lang kasi nagko-communicate talaga silang lahat. It's a really nice experience dito na they are really mindful of everybody else. Parang ganun. So, yan lang, share ko lang. Parang nila, no? Parang anti-landslide nila na. Pero bakit may boxes, no? Guys, comment down below bakit may boxes, guys. Mga engineer dyan. Guys, ang ganda, oh. Yasu City. Nandito tayo sa first stop over natin sa Bodaiji. may merenda muna kami ni Nina kasi gutom na kami at the same time, naiihi na kami. Kanina ba kami naghahanap? Ganun pala yun, may stopover kanina, hindi namin nabasa or di ko nabasa. Guys, overall pala, quick experience. Very responsive drive, no? Very responsive. Well, it's a 4AGE silver top, so expect it to be very responsive din naman talaga. But all I can say is it's very well maintained, as in sobrang komportable niyang i-drive for an 80s car. And gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na sobrang love din talaga nila sila kuya. Oh. They always give it a look and they smile na parang they're really happy na makita siya sa daan. Kaya it's a really happy experience to be able to drive an AE86. Tara, kape muna tayo, merenda muna tayo, no? Bago natin ituloy ang biyahe natin. Alright? See you. Okay, so nandito kami sa Bodaiji, no? Medyo malamig na dito kasi malapit na tayo sa bundok. Lunch muna tayo. Actually, brunch na natin to kasi di pa tayo kumakain. So, order natin is this one. Mukha siyang ramen with rice. Yes po, 31. Hi guys, so naka-order na tayo, no? So we're gonna have some ramen and a bit of rice and of course miso soup, you know? And of course some tea pare. The Japanese way, diba? So tara, kain tayo. Hi guys, maitam na araw sa lahat. So, 2 hours na natin din na-drive yung AE86 and so far so good. Sobrang sayang i-drive. And guys, tumigil muna tayo dito sa stop para maka-CR tsaka makapag-merienda at lunch, no? So, 86, very boxy design, sobrang timeless, sobrang classic ng design, sobrang, what can I say? It's a legendary car, guys. And to be able to drive it here is super grabe. Privilege. So guys, of course, the 86 has a very iconic pop-up headlight and of course, it's a 2-door. It's very rare nowadays because it's rear-wheel drive for this line of cars, no? And guys, tara, samahan niyo ako. So sa loob, it's a very classic design, no? Meron pa tayo isang cup holder doon, no? Of course, yung tsaa natin, huwag natin kakalimutan, di ba? And guys, ito yung cockpit niya. To get the lights here, the right side, ito naman yung wipers niya. And then yung mga other accessories niya. I think this is for the lights below, sa fogs niya. And guys, yeah, fog lights niya. Fog lights, and then back seat niya. Of course, our papers, importante yan. And it's a hat, so grabe. Look at that. Ooh. And guys, right now, marami pa tayong stops na pupuntahan and hopefully, yung mga pinin namin sa Google Maps is maganda yung location at mabigyan ko kayo ng magandang biyahe. Sana magbigyan kayo ng magandang pasyal dahil yun yung habol namin with the 86, no? Cruise around Japan, go to a rural area, and of course, enjoy the beautiful view of the country. So, tara guys, samahan niyo kami. Let's go! Tara! So guys, tuloy na natin yung biyahe natin. Guys, dito tayo sa rural area ng Japan. Look at that. Ooh, napaka-calm, nakaka-relax guys. So guys, dito rin hash niyan. Look at the back of the trunk of the E86. Yan Alright guys. Very spacious trunk guys. Dito yung mga mounts natin. Kaso hindi natin malalagay kasi hindi siya allowed. Really sexy car. So guys, mag-wear ako ng center mo para mabigyan ko ng POV. Hi guys, so halfway throughout our trip, no? So, puro highways lang naman yung ginawa namin right now. It's our first time driving in Japan. Kaya I made sure na maging familiar muna tayo sa roads. But overall, it's a really great experience guys. Wow, nandito tayo sa stop. And compared sa Tokyo, this is very serene, nakaka-relax. And guys, tinan nyo, meron ding 86 sa likod ko. Generations of 86. Sayang, I'm trying my best na mabigyan kayo ng maraming exterior shots ng 86. So maybe more on the parking lots na lang siguro para safe pa rin, di ba? Safe pa rin. And tara guys, samahan niyo kami.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday.
Meron tayong konting guys, drive sa rural Japan, sa outskirts niya, para mas ma-experience natin itong A86. Wow guys, look at the Japanese town, sobrang cool, parang anime pare. Actually dito nagsishine yung 86 guys kasi yung handling niya napakaganda. And we're experiencing it right now, grabe ang ganda ng handling niya. Yung mga trees, no babe, no? Guys, Right now kasi fall sa Japan eh. It's around second week of October, no? Wow, ganda yung Japanese town na to, babe. Grabe, ang ganda yun. Peaceful, no? Hi guys! So, andito tayo sa Lawson ngayon. Punta tayo dun sa isang stop natin. Nasa tayo guys, so talagang civic tayo sa likod. Guys, nandito tayo sa parang probinsya na talaga to. So far, so good, pare. Mas ma-appreciate mo 86 dito kasi mas stop and go, tapos may mga twist. Of course, mas maluwag. Ayan guys, tignan nyo. Wala masyadong tao guys. Masyadong cars. Oh, cool. Oh. Justice ng video, yung ganda na nakikita namin ngayon. Maraming natutulog. Probinsyang probinsya. Sana mas umaga tayo pumunta dito. Ang ganda. Wow! Kaya may pakita mo yung daan. Oh. Tapos golden hour pa. Grabe guys, look at the road guys. Grabe. Tapos golden hour pa. Uy, initial D. Bubukas na ako, pop-up headlights. Pop-up headlights, let's go. Guys, para akong bata. Para akong bumalik sa pagkabata. Ganon yung pakiramdam. Yung mga nilalaro mo sa Tom's World, sa Time Zone. Ito yun, pare. Kaya tayo naka-aircon, guys. May fog na, oh. Wow! Initial D na initial D. One for the books to. And yeah, best day ever. Tsaka, ang pinakamaganda dito, we're able to record it. Nakapanood natin to ulit.
Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng birthday cake.
Okay na to, okay na to. Imagine nyo guys, walang tao, walang sasakyan, solo mo yung daan. Solo mo yung daan, grabe. Hindi mo kailangan magmatulin, enjoyin mo lang yung view. And you're driving a legendary JDM sports car. Wow! Speechless. Grabe, ang ganda rin ng view, babe, oh. Again, susulitin na natin drive na to, guys. Grabe, lamig. So guys, grabe, andito tayo sa Mount Hiyen ngayon. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pasyal natin. Grabe, guys. To be honest, hindi ako nag-expect na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong types of roads sa ating biyahe kasi sinugal ko lang talaga siya sa Google Maps at chinat-GPT ko lang, sabi ko saan ba dito maganda mamasyal at mag-drive at ma-experience itong legendary na sports car na ito. And grabe, sobrang blessed natin guys kasi nabigyan tayo ng twisty roads and of course kalmadong road na safe para i-drive yung ating A86 for the day. Once in your life, you have to try this, you have to experience this car, or you have to experience driving a Japanese sports car in Japan. Promise guys, it would not break the bank. Basta mag-iingat lang, syempre. And of course, drive responsibly. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching this vlog and sama kayo sa susunod na biyahe. This is Boss Gene, signing out.